So I have a map here, and when people try to tell me Sharia law isn't inside this country, I'm here to tell you that it is. There's only a handful of states that don't allow for any Sharia law. But see all these light colored states? They all allow for female genital mutilation. And they are sick because there are girls, and they're even kept in silence after they're cut. And some of these states purposely planted a whole Muslim community and didn't protect them. And I happen to know that Pennsylvania is one of them. The only reason that Pennsylvania became under Trump was the Amish. But they put an entire set of mosques and a Muslim community inside that state. And a lot of that state is 100% Sharia law. And it's so frightening. And in Washington, way up there. And I don't know when they made this map because I can't find the date that they made it. But each thing on the bottom says number of girls at risk. So I don't really know what that means, because I would think every child under a certain age would be at risk. The next lighter color have inadequate existing legislation. And the only states that are good and get a B are the darker ones. And then this state just made stronger legislation, and so didn't, let's see, this is Michigan. So there's only a couple of ones that totally made it a crime, and Ohio just made it a crime. And here's the Creeping Sharia page that shows it. They're going to criminalize it, which it should be, because they absolutely have no right to touch a woman. Now, every time I make this type of video, I get a whole bunch of flack from the men that were also circumcised, which I disagree with 100%. You need to understand the difference. I don't think they should cut anybody, period. I'm totally against it. But the difference of what they do to a woman is to make them perfect for trafficking and sex slavery. And it's just the cruelest, most disgusting thing that they do. You have to see the difference. I'm against all of it in general, 100%. But the point of why they do it to women is way different from a man. A man can still have sex, and a woman is, again, I don't even want to talk about it, but it should all be stopped, and it should all be criminalized. I disagree with 100% of tampering with our natural bodies that we come into the planet with. Thank you.